Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
License plate light bulbs, the exact same procedure for both. They each have these Phillips head screws in here. We use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove them. Once you get these pretty loose, they'll start to come out. You can leave the screws in there. Well, this one came loose, so I'll pull aside so I don't lose it. And slide this down and out, and I'll thread this screw out of here, and the cover should separate just like that. This is a 194 peanut bulb. We'll pull it right out. You need to replace it, and then it will go pushed right back in. Reinstall the cover. Push this right back up into place. Get the screws caught. Thread them in with my fingers. And just tighten them back up. That one started. I finished with this one. And just tighten them down. Once they get tight, you can just stop.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.